Good morning, everyone. Once again, we are coming to solve and revise as well as a practical practice all the important numerical problems related to the second chapter of your class 12 accountancy. You know very well in the last few videos we already discussed a lots of the theoretical as well as the practical questions. So without creating any delay, let's we discuss the practical questions related to the different topic of your syllabus. And you know very well, if we are talking about the various adjustments related to the second chapter, that is an accounting for partnership firm, so it includes a calculation of interest on capital, the questions related to the calculation of the interest on drawing, preparation of profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account, as well as we have to pass the journal entries related to the different adjustments or appropriations, as well as we have to pass and record the adjustment in closed account, and we have to pass an adjustment entry and pass the journal entries and the preparation of the PL appropriation account related to the guarantee of minimum profit to the partner. So the first question of today's video is a very important question for us. A, B and C were partnered in a firm having capital 60,000, 60,000 and 80,000. Current account A 10,000, B 5,000, C 2,000 debit. According to the partnership deed, IOC at the rate of 5% per annum. C being the working partner, so he is entitled to a salary of 6,000 per month per annum. And the profit we have to be divided are as follows. First 20,000 in the proportion of their capital, next 30,000 in the ratio of 5:3:2, and remaining profit to be shared equally. The firm made a profit of rupees 1,50,000 before charging any of the above items. Prepare the profit and loss appropriation account and pass necessary journal entry for appropriation of profit. Okay. So firstly we prepare the PL appropriation account. PL appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2019, and it will be the format. And first of all we write down the net profit is 1,56,000. And thereafter we have to provide an interest on capital at the rate of 5%. And the name of the partner is A, B and C. C's capital will be 60, 60 and 80,000. And the rate of the interest on capital will be a 5%. Three, 4. And now C is being the working partner. So C's salary will be a 6,000 per annum. Now you can see that the remaining profit will be a 1,56,000 to partners capital and it will be distributed among A, B and C. 156 minus 16,000, that is in 1,40,000, and 1,40,000 will be distributed among A, B and C in a particular ratio, and the ratio was, and the appropriation was, and for which we had to prepare a working note. Okay, and the working note are as follows, as you know. First 20,000 in the proportion to their capital, so A, B and C. First 20,000 को हमें क्या करना है, किस रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है, इन द रेशियो ऑफ कैपिटल, and the capital ratio, as you can see, 60, 60 and 80, so 3:3:4. Okay, किस रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है, 3:3:4. Okay, 6,000 and 8,000, and next 30,000 in the ratio of 5:3:2. In which ratio? 5:3:2. So it will be a 15,000, 9,000, 6,000, and at last the balance amount in the ratio of 1:1:1, because the equal ratio, and the balance is what? Total profit is 1,40,000. Out of them, you can see that 20,000 and 30,000 is already distributed by the A, B and C. So the remaining profit will be a 90,000. कैसे? 140 में से 20 गया, 120 में से फिर 30 गया, तो बचा 90, और इस 90,000 को हम किस रेशियो में फाइंड आउट करेंगे? बैलेंस्ड इक्वल. सो A को मिलेगा 30,000, B को मिलेगा 30,000, C को मिलेगा 30,000. So total profit provided to A is 51,000, to B 45,000, and for C 44,000. So you can see that 1,40,000 को हमने एक पर्टिकुलर रेशियो में नहीं डिवाइड किया है, इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए प्रॉपर इंस्ट्रक्शन गिवन था इन द क्वेश्चन, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज इंस्ट्रक्शन हम लोगों ने इस पूरे रेशियोज को एक प्रॉपर रेशियो में डिवाइड किया. सो ए को प्रॉफिट मिला 51,000, बी को मिला 45 और सी को मिला 44. अब आप टोटल करके देख लो, 140 आ रहा है. Past adjustment table, and in this situation, firstly if we write down, that is in particulars, the name of the partner will be A, B and C. And it will be solved in the 2 steps. Step number 1, गलती क्या हुई? गलती ये हुई कि जो प्रॉफिट था 30,000, इट विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड बिटवीन द पार्टनर इन द रेशियो ऑफ कैपिटल. सो फर्स्ट विल बी अ रॉन्ग distribution of profit, and the amount of the profit will be a 30,000, और वो किस रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गया? It will be distributed among A, B and C in the ratio of capital, and the capital ratio will be 3:1. ओके, बट हमें क्या क्या प्रोवाइड करना था बी वाले सेट में? करेक्ट एप्रोप्रिएशंस। हमें क्या क्या प्रोवाइड करना था? फर्स्ट, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल 5%, एंड द प्रॉफिट विल बी 30,000 का 5%, 1,500, 20,000 का 500, 1,000, 10,000 का 5%, 500, and this will be a loss 3,000. Second, हमें प्रोवाइड करना है entitle salary to whom? Salary to 5B, 500 per month, $6,000, and it will be a loss for the firm. Thereafter, we have to provide the C was entitled a commission of 5% on the profit after charging IOC, but before charging salary to B. So हमें कमीशन देना है टू सी। किसको? सी को कमीशन देना है। कितना परसेंट प्रॉफिट? 5% प्रॉफिट। अब प्रॉफिट हमारे पास कितनी है? कितना था प्रॉफिट? वी हैव अ प्रॉफिट 30,000, जिसमें से 3,000 में घटाना है, सो बचेगा आपका 27,000। बट बिफोर चार्जिंग लिखा है ना, बट बिफोर चार्जिंग व्हाट? बट बिफोर चार्जिंग सैलरी टू बी, तो 30,000 में 3,000 या 27,000, 27,000 का कितना परसेंट देना है? 5%, and it will be a 1,356, and at last जो करेक्ट प्रॉफिट है, द करेक्ट प्रॉफिट विल बी अ रिमेनिंग प्रॉफिट विल बी, प्रॉफिट कितना बचेगा आप खुद ही फाइंड आउट करो। 30,000 में 3,000, 9,000, 10,350 माइनस कर दो। 30,000 में आप 10,350 माइनस करो, so we find out 19,650, and this amount will be distributed by A, B and C in which ratio? In their ratio that is in 2:2:1. Okay, that is in 2, 3 2s are 6, 7 8 6 0। अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? नाउ वी हैव टू कंपेयर एंड फाइंड आउट द टोटल ऑफ P. दिस इज एन टोटल ऑफ A and this is एन टोटल ऑफ P। 6 9,360, 7,000, 14,860, and it will be a 08 57580 and at last we find out the net effect. उसके बाद हम लोग क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे? नेट इफेक्ट. नेट इफेक्ट दैट इज इन बी माइनस ए. इसमें से इस वैल्यू को क्या करेंगे? माइनस करेंगे. सो यू कैन सी दैट इन द फर्स्ट सेगमेंट 9360 minus 15,000, so the answer will be a minus 5,640. It will be a 4,860 and it will be a plus 780. Okay, so this will be the net effect. और आपको पता ही है जो माइनस होता है इसे इसकी कैपिटल को डेबिट करते हैं और जो प्लस होता है इसकी कैपिटल को क्रेडिट करते हैं. And at last we passed an adjustment entry. An adjustment entry of this quotient with the help of the past adjustment table, that is an A's capital debit to B's capital to C's capital and A डेबिट हुआ 5640 से क्योंकि उसे रॉन्गली मिला था 15,000 बट राइटली उसे 9360 मिलना था तो उसकी कैपिटल से 5640 डिडक्ट कर देंगे. बी को एक्चुअल में मिलना था 14,860 के लिए बेचारे को मिला था 10,000 तो उसकी कैपिटल को 4860 से इंक्रीज कर देंगे. एंड एट लास्ट इन सी मिला गलती से 5,000 मिलना चाहिए था 5780 तो 780 और प्रोवाइड करेंगे. ओके, सो दिस इज अ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द वेरी popular question which are related to the past adjustment table. So please note down. So as you can see that how we will solve the practical question which are related to the adjustment in closed account. So now we are moving to the next type of the question and the next type of the question is related to the minimum guarantee to partner. So in this type of the question we have to provide a minimum amount of the profit to the any of the partner. So the question is ABC were in partnership sharing profit in the ratio of 2:3:5. 2:3:5 and A was guaranteed a minimum profit of rupees 1 lakh. A was guaranteed to minimum profit of rupees, कितने रुपए का मिनिमम गारंटी मिला उसको? That is in 1 lakh. And it is also mentioned in the question if any deficiencies occurred, so it won't be beared by the C. So the deficiency borne by C, मतलब जो कम पैसा पड़ेगा वो B और C नहीं देंगे, only C देगा. उसके बाद ये लिखा हुआ है नेट प्रॉफिट इज 4,50,000. नेट प्रॉफिट कितना है? 4,50,000. सो नेट प्रॉफिट इज 4,50,000. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ this net profit 4,50,000 will be distributed among A, B and C in which ratio? In 2:3:5 ratio. So that will be 10, 45, 90,000, 1,35,000 and 2,25,000. So here it is a net profit which will be distributed among A, B and C, that is in 4,50,000 and in which ratio? 2:3:5. In this question is also mentioned that A was guaranteed to minimum profit of rupees 1 lakh. A को minimum कितना मिलेगा? 1 लाख रुपए मिलेगा. So you can see that A को minimum 1 लाख रुपए देने के लिए हमें additionally कितना पेमेंट करना पड़ेगा? हमें पे करना पड़ेगा 10,000 और वो 10,000 रुपीज कौन पे करेगा? वो पे करेगा C. So the new profit will be a 1 lakh for A, 1,35,000 for B, and 2,15,000 for C. So you can see that how we will solve the question in case of the minimum guarantee to partner. Okay, so please note down. Let's move to the one more question which are also related to the minimum guarantee to partner. And the question is very clear. Preeti, Mona, Nisha share profit in the ratio of 3:2:1. The profit of the last 3 years were 140, 84 and 106,000. These profit were by mistake shared equally for all for the 3 years, and it is now decided to correct the error. Give necessary entry for the same. So this question is to be related as an adjustment in closed accounts. ये क्वेश्चन किससे रिलेट करता है? दिस क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड टू द एडजस्टमेंट इन क्लोज्ड अकाउंट. क्वेश्चन सेज दैट कि प्रीति, मोना, निशा की प्रॉफिट था रेशियो 3:2:1 और लास्ट 3 इयर्स की प्रॉफिट है 140, 84, 106. दीज प्रॉफिट बाय मिस्टेकली शेयर्ड इक्वल फॉर ऑल द 3 इयर्स. मतलब तीनों साल की प्रॉफिट इक्वली बांट दी गई. तो ए क्या नाम है पार्टनर्स का? The name of the partners Preeti, Mona and Nisha. A पार्ट क्या हुआ? मिस्टेक क्या हुई? जो टोटल प्रॉफिट थी 140, 84 and 106. So 190, 290, okay, 290, 330. 330 को हमने बाय मिस्टेक क्या कर लिया? इक्वली बांट लिया. यानी प्रीति को मिला 110, 110, 110. ये गलत था ना? तो मिस्टेक को हम लोग क्या करते हैं? माइनस कर देते हैं. जबकि करेक्ट क्या है? व्हाट इज द करेक्ट स्टेप? द करेक्ट स्टेप्स की उसे हमें किस रेशियो में बांटना था? 330 को हमें बांटना था. इन विच रेशियो? इन विच रेशियो? इन 3:2:1. Okay, so the correct will be a 3:2:1. So 3,30,000 को अब हम लोग किस रेशियो में बांटेंगे? 3:2:1. That is in 362616. So this will be a 55,000 मिलना चाहिए इसको. It will be a okay 1,10,000 and it will be a okay 55 multiplied by 2 110 and 55 multiplied by 3 165. So as you can see that the wrong step and the correct step, and at finally हम लोग क्या करेंगे, नेट इफेक्ट फाइंड आउट करेंगे. नेट इफेक्ट विल बी अ b minus a. सो प्रीति को 55,000 और मिलना चाहिए, मोना को कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए, और 55, yes, and it will be a, is it correct? Uh, 5 165 110, yes, it will be a 55 also. So you can see that प्रीति को 55,000 कम मिला तो उसकी कैपिटल को क्रेडिट करो, और निशा को 55,000 ज्यादा मिल गया तो उसको माइनस करो. So the net effect will be a minus 50 plus 55,000 for Nisha, and minus 55,000 for Nisha. Plus 55,000 for Preeti, minus 55,000 for Nisha. So the adjustment entry will be a Nisha's capital account debit to Preeti's capital, and the amount will be a 55,000. So please note down the solution of this question which are related to the adjustment in closed account. Okay, so now we are discussing one more question which are also related to the computation of interest on drawing. Some of the question is not cleared by you, that is in date, amount, and the date will be your 1st April, second date 30 June, third date 1st October, fourth date 31st March, and the amount of drawing will be a 10,000, 16,000, 20 and 4, and the year will be a 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019. So first of all we find out the period. 1st April it will be a 12 months. June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, 9 months. October, November, December, January, February, March, 6 months, 0 months. And now we have to find out the product. And आपको पता ही है कौन से मेथड से मैं फाइंड आउट कर रहा हूँ, दैट इज एन इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग, प्रोडक्ट मेथड से. तो दिस विल बी 1,20,000. $144, $120, $0. $384. So total product will be a $384. So the formula of interest on drawing will be a, you know very well, the interest on drawing will be a total product into rate upon 100 into 1 by 12. So total product will be a 3,84,000 into rate will be a 12% into 1 by 12, 12, 12, 0, 0. So 3,840 will be a total interest on drawing of this question. So please note down this question. So in today's video we discuss a different topic and we solve a different type of the question which are also included in your class 12 CBSE syllabus. and you can see that now we are covered almost all the type of the question, all the types of the topics which are covered under the chapter 1, that is an accounting for partnership for fundamental. So now you know very well we completed our today's task, but it is your responsibility to solve the maximum question given in your book. So without creating any delay, please start your practice. Please solve the practical questions as well as please solve the additional question. And if you have any doubts, so firstly please solve the illustration question. And apart from this, if you have any doubt, so please ask me in the online classes as well as in the WhatsApp group. But please, this line kept in your mind, that is, in practice makes a man perfect. Okay? So if you have any doubt or suggestion regarding this video, please ask me in the online classes. And आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.